Genetically modified crops are plants whose DNAs have been altered through genetic modification methods. Typically, the alteration is done to introduce a new trait that does not naturally occur in the plant to improve their quality. Although safety concerns about genetically modified organisms, also known as GMOs, are still being debated, the food security benefits have led to its adoption by many countries worldwide, including Nigeria and South Africa. In 2018, the federal government approved its first biotechnology crop for commercialization. Conversations about GMOs, however, only became more intense following the federal government's approval of the commercial release of 4 varieties of GMO crops known as Tela maize to address the country's food security challenges in January 2024, placing Nigeria second in the list of African countries that have adopted and commercialized the T maize varieties after South Africa. However, the adoption of this crop has sparked intense controversy, with many questioning its impact on human health, safety, environmental impact, and potential effects on the country's sovereignty, food security, and economy. Amidst concerns over the adoption of genetically modified crops in Nigeria, stakeholders in the biotechnology industry in this hall say there is no cause for alarm, as the seed varieties are safe and will be of immense benefit to the country's food production capacity.
Having gone through this rigorous testing and evaluation processes to ensure its safety for consumption and the environment, Tela maize is safe and not harmful to humans and environment. The World Health Organization and Food and Agricultural Organization have stated that GMOs are safe for human and animal consumption. Similarly, the Nigerian government has taken a positive stance on GMO and their safety.
These organizations sitting on this table are working together almost on a daily basis, meeting, scrutinizing things, and trying to see what are the likely hazards that will befall human beings, not only human beings, but the environment in itself, as well as animals. So our products, by the time we release our products, it has gone through the various safety measures to make sure that at least the environment is not polluted, plants are not polluted, and then human beings eventually are not actually going to be victims of whatever our discovery is. While promising Nigerians that we will take their concern very, very seriously, we are still in the lab trying to make sure that we verify whatever claims are coming. For now, there is no cause for alarm. And I can tell you quite frankly that we have done our investigation. We are very homely with the products that we have given out. And of course, we are already beginning to have some requests from international organizations.
If there's more science and more technologies emerging, Nigeria should not be made to be following the world. We should participate and know what we are doing. Most of the trending videos you see here and there where somebody is even carrying needle and injection, choking inside the plant. Those are not scientific facts.
We actually check that the practice of modern biotechnology is safe. And that is why, right from the lab until these grains or these seeds are released to the environment, National Biosafety Management Agency is there. So it is not an end product thing that a National Biosafety Management Agency does. We start it from the beginning to the end.
Despite its benefits, GMO remains a misunderstood science in Nigeria, where most farmers are uneducated and likely unaware of its enormous potentials for productivity. These stakeholders are, however, confident that the technology is just what Nigeria needs to revolutionize the food insecurity situation, which currently stands at 26.5 million. Gloria Atta, reporting for Clearview News.